Alright, so a while back, I broke a box of Icons 2009 football. Didn't feel like taping it, so I'm going to do a recap break just right now. Get that out of the way and start out with the numbered cards here. Got a Ray Maluga rookie card, number to 599. Got a Don Maynard base card, number to 599. Got a Santana Moss Chrome, number to 125. Jeremy Maclin Chrome card, number 2, 450. Got a Sophomore Sensations insert of Earl Bennett, number to 450. Got an NFL Icons Matt Hasselbeck, number to 199. Got a Decade of Dominance Brian Westbrook, number to 130. We have a Greats of the Game Bob Griese, number 2, 450. Got a Greats of the Game Barry Sanders, number to 450 as well. Got a die cut number to 40 of Marquise Colston and Lee Evans. It's pretty cool. And now for the hits. Alright, so same sophomore sensation card, Earl Bennett, as before, except this time it's got a jersey swatch on there. And that one was number 2, 299. Got a Peyton Manning single swatch jersey card to 299 NFL Icons. For our autograph, we got a Darius Butler rookie autograph, number to 150. That's the Chrome version. And for our 2 additional Letterman hits, we got a Mickey Rourke S, number to 133. It's pretty cool. And last but not least, a Mean Joe Green, number to 75, Letterman. So, overall, not a bad box. I mean, could have been better, but definitely the Mean Joe was probably the hit of the box right there. Alright, thanks for watching. See you later.